Good morning, beautiful people.
Welcome back to LeAw, Leave Everything and Wander. Welcome back to Lucky Land. We are back home.
Yes, and today I will bring Sara to a secret spot here in the area.
It seems summer today, so we also wear our swimsuit because who knows, probably we will be able to
Feel
have a swim.
how fresh the water will be.
Yeah.
Super cold, freezing.
And I'm super excited to see this secret spot. I've heard a lot of stories about this place in this area. Everybody knows this place, but not me. So
Sara never went there, so let's go. Let's jump on the scooter.
We are Luca and Sara, an Italian couple of explorers. In 2017, we quit our jobs in the luxury and fashion business. We started a new life full of uncertainties and dreams abroad and a new project called LeAw, Leave Everything and Wander. We wanted to inspire people to be brave, not be afraid to risk, change life, career, love. That traveling is possible also on a budget. We bought Lucky LeAw the Beast, a 1990 Ford F-250 truck for $800 with the idea of traveling from the most northern point of the American continent in Alaska down to its most southern tip at the end of the world in Argentina. In February 2020, after 3 challenging and unforgettable years spent living on the road and over than 70,000 kilometers, that idea became reality and we reached Ushuaia, realizing our dream. When the pandemic hit, we were first confined to a police campground in Patagonia and then forced to abandon our truck camper in Argentina and to return to our home country, Italy. We worked on several different projects, gardening, renovating our laundry room and converting a minivan, Luigi, into a home on wheels in 5 weeks. We were able to hit the road again and explore our beautiful country, but a second severe wave of COVID-19 hit Italy, and we are now back to our small house in the mountains. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.
So you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head, and I will taste every note, feel so good when you're in my head, and you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head, and I will taste every note.
are we getting close?
Yes, we're almost there.
And it's the road I figured, and the curve
Off-road!
Up front with the scooter!
I'm giving a signal. Pick me up again. Come on.
Got this one.
Luca told me, watch your hat. Many trees.
Inside my head, and I will taste every note. Feels so good when you're
Time to go walking.
Yeah. We will park the scooter here and we will walk from this point on. How many meters, kilometers? Surprise?
No, 5 minutes.
We are really close. Sometimes you don't need to travel far from your home, from your house, from your place to discover something beautiful. And since we cannot move a lot, it's nice to explore the area we are living in.
Of course. There are many trails as well. We need to try them and see where they go.
Yeah, it would be nice to have a bike so we can explore the area with a bike.
Yes, a bike would be faster and easier because there are so many trails that if we need to hike all of them,
All over the mountains.
it will take years.
Yeah. It's full of lizards everywhere. And how many degrees we have today?
Now about 21 or 22 degrees Celsius. scary?
Yeah, you know, one of my biggest fears is to jump. I'm not good at jumping at all. Oh, but we made it.
We made it.
This is a humongous boulder. It is huge.
There are plenty, many of them.
But this one is the biggest one. Look at that. I didn't expect this from this area.
A quick stop here at the viewpoint and now we will keep hiking down there.
Slippery.
We made it, but we are not alone.
A waterfall. A waterfall in Piedmont, in the middle of nowhere. The level of the water is pretty high, so we had to jump from boulder to boulder to boulder. So the trail is not difficult, but
In some parts it is.
it's challenging.
Yes, since it has known the level of the water is quite high. In the summer it's lower because the snow is already melted and you can walk till there.
There's a man fishing.
There is a man fishing and
So-
there is a dog staring at us.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking, you got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut through every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh.
This is a free spot, guys, so if you know where this place is, remember to respect the place, to leave it better than you found it, and leave no trash.
And keep it secret.
It's not really a good idea when we made a video about this.
Keep it secret. Keep it secret.
Keep it clean. Respect the environment, always. No matter where you are, if you are at home, if you are in another country, leave the places better than you found them.
Every little inch of my skin, baby, I will let you in.
And after visiting these beautiful waterfalls here in Piedmont near our little house, Luckyland,
The hidden waterfalls, amazing, I love it.
we are back working here at Luckyland. We had the opportunity to escape this reality and travel for about 1 week when we went to Rome, and driving back home we stopped in Tuscany, in Liguria, and if you missed the videos I will put some cards up here, so check those cards, they are nice videos.
But then we had to come back home because we have a lot to do, we have a lot of works to do here at this little house, old house. We have been in in the red zone lockdown for over 2 weeks now. So unfortunately, we were not able to do everything we wanted, but we decided to focus and to put all our energies to empty the outside of the house, to clean, to organize the space, because we have been working on this for months now.
Yes, probably about 4 months.
Yeah, there is this financial opportunity given by the Italian government that you can get a fiscal credit for some specific works to improve your property. This credit can be sold to a bank or another financial institution. Obviously, you don't get the full amount back, but we're talking about 90%, so it's a huge opportunity, but it's not easy. So you have to do a lot of researches, a lot of bureaucracy here in Italy, but it's something that is valid, I believe, until June 2022.
We will try, and we are working since months to try to take advantage of this opportunity, and it will take a few more months because it involves architects, engineers. They need to study the efficiency of the insulation of your house, and also the materials.
In our case, we are planning to apply external thermal insulation, a control mechanical ventilation inside the house, solar panels, and to rebuild the roof.
Yes, to rebuild the roof, it will not be the 110% eco bonus, but we will need to use a sisma bonus. They are giving to people the opportunity to improve the strength of the house. So if some stronger earthquakes hit Italy, houses will be safer. They will be anchoring all the sides of the building, of the house.
Yeah, so a lot of projects. But now let's check together. Luca went to the barber, of course, you see the difference because we went back to the orange zone, and the orange zone means that the barber shop are open again.
Yes, after almost 3 weeks, so it was crazy. We will show you some images.
And we are at the barber shop, but yesterday was so full that we couldn't make it. Today we will try again. Luca is taking the number.
Okay.
How many numbers?
They are calling 78 and I have 94.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's okay. Yesterday was 40 people in front of me. Was about to wait in about 3 hours or 4 hours, it depends. Every barber shop or hairdresser, it's all the same because we have been in lockdown for 2 weeks.
2 weeks and a half in red zone.
In red zone, so they had to be closed for LeAw. So they opened yesterday for the first day after almost 3 weeks. So everybody's going to cut their hair and the beard. So they are completely full.
Oh!
Hello.
You have a new boyfriend. I have a new boyfriend.
Hello.
You're looking great.
Thank you.
Try to go buy something. Try to take care of your beard, your hair. Is not easy during these times, but yeah, we did it, and let's see what we have done the past weeks. A lot of tiring and exhausting works, but someone has to do it. So we need to do it.
Yes.
Okay, let's have a look all together.
There are only the two of us here in Lucky Land, so.
salamandra.
Salamandra. And this is huge. It's a big one. Look, it's the size of
Touch it.
the size of my. Look
Maybe-
how long it is.
Maybe she's pregnant.
Look how long it is. Bigger than my finger. She will go inside the pipe. Ciao ciao. It's beautiful.
Che bello.
We are waiting a huge truck to come here to emptying and cleaning the septic tank. I have never done it since I bought this house in 2011, and probably also the previous owner never done it, so it's full of things. And we hope that cleaning it, some of the smell that lately has been coming in the toilet will vanish.
Disappear.
Yes.
Big day here at Luckyland.
Big shitty day.
We have been working hard the past few days to clean and to prepare our green garden. So, and I don't know if you remember, Luca cleaned all this area, and here is where we have our septic tank. So basically the truck will park up here, and then we need to connect the septic tank to the truck, sorry. Okay, they are trying to come up here. The road is very steep. Vieni, meaning come. Oh my goodness. Vieni qua. Ready. Okay, they made it. So the waste will go up, and then the water goes down, and they will clean. I don't zoom too much, guys, because probably it will be gross. The guy said that our septic tank was not in such bad conditions. What he said, that if you have like odors or bad smell, it's not the fault of your septic tank, but we should probably organize an inspection of our pipes to ensure that there are no broken or cracked spots inside the pipes. And this, I think this is our main problem, because the pipes are pretty old.
The two bathrooms, they are new, so all the pipes are new, but then the pipes of the bathroom, they go to a old part of the house where the pipes were old and they were still in cement. They are not new plastic PVC pipes, so those could be cracked or broken, and in that case things can leak and the smell can come in the house for that.
Because you check everything in the bathroom and you said it was,
Yes.
you know, the pipes were okay, the installation was perfect. So we need to check outside, but it's not so easy.
The only part is outside in the little part of the laundry that we just build the floor, so it would be under that floor. So yeah, we need to check there and see if we need to destroy all the house to change these pipes or
Yeah, we need to be prepared to destroy part of the house. If we receive the total okay from the engineer and from everything.
For the ventilation,
Yes.
we will need to put some pipes that reach every room.
Yeah.
So in some rooms it will be easier. In other rooms it means to drill some big holes on the walls or on the ceiling in order to make it possible.
Our goal is to ensure that this house will be more efficient, energetic efficient. We already received the report from the technical studio. They said that we can improve at least 2 classes, energetic classes. So this is a big improvement for this house. Especially in the winter, we have so much heat dispersion. We cannot keep the heat inside the house properly.
And the increase of one or more classes, energetic classes, is
Yeah.
one of the requirement to be able to use this eco bonus. So this was a really important thing that they already achieved, making all the drawings and the planning and the studies of
Yeah.
the house and the new materials to use. So this is a good news, but at the same time they still need to plan everything to know how much it will cost, how much it will take, which companies will be available to do this kind of jobs.
And the documentation of the house should be perfect.
Yes, there are many institutions involved, like there is il catasto dei fabbricati, terreni, and there is il comune. So you need to have every document perfect in every institution that we have here in Italy.
As I try to overcome one of my biggest fear, that it's one big fear of me is jumping, and the second biggest fear is blood test. Luca overcome one of his biggest fear, that is throwing away old stuff, but he did very well. After the septic tank, we decided that we want and we need to clean this area. We need to clean the gazebo. We already throw away I don't know how many bags of stuff. We decided to start with this little tools house. When we clean this, we can clean the side of the house and we can clean the laundry room, and after that we can have everything, you know, organized, and we can buy new tools for Luca, throw away what is really broken that we don't need anymore. We have the electric section, then we have the garden and barbecue section.
How am I doing, Sara?
You are amazing. Better than I expected. I knew that it would be tough and overwhelming for you, but you are doing very well. Congratulations. I'm proud of you because it's not easy.
Not easy to throw away things for me.
But you know, when we are talking about this stuff,
These are candles for mosquitoes, I don't know.
you don't need them anymore in these conditions. Next week, a guy will come here.
With a van, we will give him for free this hydromassaggio.
Jacuzzi?
This, yes,
Hot tub, yeah, hot tub with jacuzzi.
hot tub, and we also have
Some chairs and some tools that we will give him for free.
in exchange he will get all things that we don't need, and he will deal with it. So it's a hard job for me to give away all this stuff, because as you may know, I have a hard time throwing away things. As you might see, I tend to keep a lot of things thinking that I will need it or that I will reuse it. So I'm trying to get rid of all the things.
quick update, guys. Current situation in our garden. This is our vintage tractor, but it's really useful in these situations. Da-da-da-dan, da-da-dan. The monster. We are bringing some rubble to the junkyard, and we have 2 access per person per month here at this junkyard, and we can just bring with us 5 buckets
each time.
It was really hard for Luca, but I'm really proud of him. I try to help him to just think about what you really need, what you don't need. And
she told me that if I throw away things that are broken, that are not working, that are old and bad, if I will throw it away, she will buy me something new.
My mentality is I prefer to have one thing that is good quality and it's working, instead of 10 different things that are broken, they are old, they are not working. We are back, guys. We are really happy about what we accomplished today. Step by step, we are getting closer to have our house ready for the next project.
Better than this morning, but there is still a lot of work to do.
And here is where we will let you go, beautiful people.
The Italian words for today's video are cascata,
Waterfall,
vieni,
come,
vai,
go.
cascata,
Waterfall,
come,
vieni,
and go. E vai.
bye. Thank you for coming along with us. We hope you enjoyed today's episode.
Remember to smash that thumbs up button.
Hit the notification bell and please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done already. And remember, it's free, easy, and it's the easiest way to support us. Thank you to everyone who joined our Patreon. This is really helping us with our production, with our content creation.
And keep doing what we're doing.
We love you, beautiful people. See you soon.
Next Sunday. And remember, la vita è bella.
Life is beautiful.
Ciao.
Ciao. Thank you so much to Ivalani and Gordon from Pualani, Hawaii. They literally sent me a box full of beautiful swimsuit, and not only swimsuit. The leggings I was wearing, the top, are from them. The quality is incredible. I cannot wait to try them all as soon the weather will allow me. They produce swimwear that will not lose its shape. You don't only look good, of course, but you feel good. I will put the link in the description box below if you want to check them out. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it.
My head, and I will taste every